Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the stories it holds? Each twinkling star, each swirling galaxy is a chapter in the grand narrative of the cosmos. Stargazing is our key to unlocking these celestial tales, our window into the universe. This ancient practice, indulged by civilizations across time and space, is more than just a hobby. It's a voyage of discovery, a quest for knowledge driven by curiosity and wonder. As we peer into the vast unknown, we're not just spectators, but participants in a cosmic play that's been unfolding for billions of years. Now, imagine being able to read these celestial narratives. It's simpler than you think. Stargazing, much like any art, requires a bit of knowledge, a dash of patience, and heaps of curiosity. It's a pursuit that invites us to look up and marvel at the grand tapestry of the cosmos, a spectacle as old as time itself. To begin your stargazing adventure, you would need a clear, dark sky free of light pollution. The darker the sky, the more stars you'll see, the deeper your journey into the universe. Now, the best times for stargazing? That would be on moonless nights and during the hour or two after sunset or before sunrise. This is when the sky is at its darkest, allowing the stars to shine their brightest. As for tools, while your naked eye can see a surprising number of stars, a simple telescope or even binoculars can reveal far more detail. And don't forget your star map. It's your guide to navigating the night sky. With these basics under your belt, you're ready to embark on your celestial journey. In the vast expanse of the night sky, constellations serve as our celestial landmarks. These patterns of stars have guided humanity's way for millennia, illuminating our path through the darkness of the unknown. Constellations are not just clusters of stars. They are ethereal tapestries woven with threads of light, each depicting a unique story. Take, for instance, Orion, the hunter. This constellation is easily recognizable by its belt of three aligned stars. Ancient civilizations saw in Orion a mighty hunter locked in an eternal chase across the night sky. Then there's Ursa Major, or the Great Bear, another constellation that's hard to miss. Its 7 brightest stars form a pattern known as the Big Dipper. In myth, Ursa Major was a beautiful nymph transformed into a bear and set among the stars. These celestial landmarks are more than just points of reference. They are an echo of our ancestors, who looked up at the same stars and wove tales of heroes, beasts and gods. Every star, every constellation holds a story waiting to be told. Remember, each constellation is a chapter in the cosmic tale, and you, dear stargazer, are the reader. So look up and let the stars guide your journey through the cosmos.